Welcome to a quick guide to analog electronics, the essential knowledge every embedded systems developer should master. In just a few minutes, I will walk you through what analog electronics is, and here is a real-world example of an analog electronics project. This is a cell phone detector circuit, and this is an example of what an analog electronics project is. So, join me and let's discuss about analog electronics. Analog electronics deals with continuous signals such as voltages and currents that vary smoothly, like the one you are seeing on screen from the oscilloscope. It also involves sound waves, light waves, or temperature changes. But the key is that analog electronics deals with continuous signals. Unlike digital electronics, where everything is either 0 or 1, just as you can see on this every circuit simulation of an AND logic gate driving an LED. So this is a digital circuit. It's either 0 or 1, and this is different from analog. Why? Because analog lets us process the real world's infinity variations. So whether it's LC oscillator circuit you're trying to build or a cell phone detector circuit you're trying to build to detect radio frequency signals, analog electronics is the backbone of how we sense, amplify, and control real-world signals, be it light, audio, temperature, or even motion. Analog electronics is very important for embedded systems engineering.